okay. Just leave with him and see what you got.
Ooh.
You hit him.
Hit him again, hit him again. He hurt. He left. We'll get his eye. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing zone, I call it.
Right. There you go. Get his ass, Mo.
You better get him. Cross. It's all right. He's gonna come right to you, brother. You ready? You ready? Here he goes. Here he goes.
Get his ass, Melvin.
I can get him moving.
Yeah.
Trap. Lead him. When you find him in his gut, move forward a little bit.
There you go.
I can't hit him moving. You got a pistol? Anybody?
I got it. You got him, Melvin.
I didn't put my pistol.
You didn't bring it?
Hey, hold on. Just we'll finish it. It ain't going nowhere. I want you to shoot that joker with that rifle long range.
Melvin, get that.
Come on, rifle. Here he comes. Let's see if we can do a rematch. See if your dad taught you anything.
Doggy!
Oh, first one.
He done that same thing.
Yeah, finish him.
He done that same thing last time.
What?
There it goes.
That should do it. Right?
Yeah. Pull up to this other one and do it. He done the same thing last time, one shot. Pow, done.
Nice.
And if I remember, I think I was picking at him. I was picking at him as we were driving around. Don't miss him.